Are you serious? Are you serious? Okay, so I'm in my studio here, but I got to show you something. BP Earthwatch has put out a video. Massive ship passes the sun. Well, at least that's what it looks like just before the kill shot eruption. You know, look, you can see that little dot there. I mean, do you see that? It's not a dot. I'm going to show you in just a second, a little closer. Do you see? Hang on a second. Do you see that? What is that? Okay. Now, BP actually enlarges this and shows you this just before that massive explosion on the sun, something hits the sun. I think something crashes into the sun. Check this out. Okay, there. You see how much? What is that? And now that image doesn't change. He actually uses different lenses from the different satellites. There it is, even a little closer. And obviously, whatever it is, it doesn't lose its shape. It's enormous. It's enormous. Now think about this. This is the sun we're talking about. This is the solar flare that he just exploded off of the sun. And this is an enormous object. And I believe that whatever this was, and I don't know what it was it a fragment of a comet? Was it an asteroid fragment? Whatever it is, it's enormous for the satellite to pick it up. Plus, it had to be incredibly fire resistant. Because if you got that close to the sun, I don't care what it is, it's going to literally explode. It's going to be just evaporate. I mean, you're talking about millions of degrees, and yet this thing, just as I think it must have hit the sun, the solar flare that erupts from it is just absolutely insane in size. And if the sun had been, and this is on the backside of the sun, so guess what, guys? Whatever it is, it came from the backside of the sun and hit the sun. Or passed by the sun. It could have just passed by the sun. I mean, it kind of looks like an object of some sort that, it was huge. So I don't know what it is. We don't know what it is. Now I'm going to put BP Earthwatch's video up, put it in the description below. Click on his video and watch it. He does an excellent job showing you the solar flare, what it did, and how this never happened before. And he has never seen anything like this before. This was captured by the satellite imagery. All right? Are you serious? But the Bible does say that in the 16th chapter of the book of Revelation, that the angel, in verse 8, it says, "And the fourth angel poured out his vial upon the sun, and power was given unto him to scorch men with fire. And men were scorched with great heat, and blasphemed the name of God, which had power over these plagues, and they repented not to give him glory." What? Are you serious? Check out his video, the description's below. Are you serious?